Hey again, guys. So we're continuing our discussion on factoring techniques in Algebra 1 and 2. So here's this next example. We are given two denoted x terms. Now the greatest common factor is x. Take out the x and then you have the next quantity, which is x plus or minus 7. Now to do all these problems, you must verify that these four factors will, when you FOIL them, you'll get this original solution of the original problem you were given. Now, in the next example, negative terms. Yes, negative terms will always play a polarizing role to us in math. But we just have to remember when we're factoring with negative terms everywhere, just take the negative one out. Since negative 1 is the greatest common factor, if nothing else is factorable, here we have negative 1 times x to the 7 plus x4 plus x plus 1. A better way to abbreviate this is negative times parentheses the positive terms, all the positive terms. Now in the next example we have polynomial cubic terms of the degree, the third degree is generally polynomial. So here we have 88x cubed minus 24x squared minus 3x. The GCF is x. So you take out the x and then you factor the second quantity. Well, you can't factor the second quantity. You have to rewrite the second quantity, which is 88x squared minus 24x minus 3. Now in the next example here, we have higher order factors, the terms of their degree, much greater than 3. Well, not much greater than 3. It's basically the fourth, fifth degree. Here we have x to the fourth plus 14x squared plus 24. We have two quadratic factorable terms, x squared plus 12, and the next quantity x squared plus 2. Second Roman numeral is x to the fourth minus 14x cubed plus 24x squared. You factor it out, you end up with x squared being one of the factors you removed, then multiplying it in parentheses x squared minus 14x plus 24. Then when you break it down, you can still factor out the second term and break it further. You get x squared times x squared minus 12, and the last quantity, last but not least, x squared minus 2. Now in the very final problem, we have x to the fifth minus x to the third power. A little neat problem for us. So here, GCF for the little term we're removing is x cubed. X squared minus 1. Well, that's actually an easily factorable term. So x to the cube, x minus 1, x plus 1 is your final factor. Well, I hope these factorization examples have really helped you nail the cream of the crop of all these problems involving factorization. Alright, stay tuned for more. Don't go anywhere. It's not over till it's not over till it's over. Okay, take care everyone. Peace.